Very good morning, my friends. This is Jeanette. Welcome you to a new makeup tutorial day. As you already know, my channel, it is advocated friends to teach, to demo product, showing you the latest of the latest. I welcome you with all of my heart to this new makeup tutorial day in which we're going to speak about something very awesome. I just got in my order. It took literally a week and a half to arrive. The product I've been waiting, it is the collection of Backstage. So many surprises, friends, so many things we're going to be speaking and I'm going to be sharing today, okay? The very first thing it is, since I'm passing, friends, 2,000 subscribers. Thank God and thank you all of you for supporting me, friends, for supporting my work. I have some benefit in one of them. It is I became an Amazon influencer. I'm working on the list, recommending some of the luxury product, friends, and I got it for sometime less than half of the price. They are luxury product in perfect condition. I don't want people kill me for what I'm saying, friends, but when come, to save some bucks, it is nothing wrong. Post the link in this past video I just uploaded, and today I'm going to again post another video in which you're going to be able to see, friends, some of the items I'm finding so worth of the price. And I'm talking about luxury product, friends. The product doesn't have anything wrong. They are in immaculate condition, but the prices, friends, okay, as we all know, that the prices are going up and up and up and up, and seems it's not stopping. So, friends, it's so many surprises. Also, I'm expressing the desire that I have to start making courses for all of my subscribers / members. If you are interested to join me in these courses, friends, I'm going to be teaching, from basics to more advanced techniques. Just with a membership, you can have access, to these classes. I'm going to be announcing in first place when the courses are going to be available. I'm waiting, to be very honest, since it's very new for me, to have enough amount of members that can join these classes. So, and then we are going to make it happen. I never thought I'm going to be able, to start building my list, my little shop. In fact, this beautiful top that you can see me wearing, you can find it at Mango, but I found it at Amazon for probably $15 less. So the quality is just stunning. I got in every color, every shape. These are sleeveless with this sport cut, shoulder cut. I love them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, friends. All of my videos are found 4K using 70% of natural light with a 30% of artificial light for the purpose of image. I don't use filter in my channel, friends. I want to make a difference on my channel. So my interest is for you to see everything, all the imperfection, redness around my cheek, large pores, and thank you one more time. And I'm going to proceed by telling you I did apply this stunning hygiene serum primer from NATSHA DENONA. This product, it is literally universal with any type of foundation that I'm using. Since I bought this product, this beautiful product that is not very cheap, it's very expensive, okay, from Clé de Peau. BEAUTE Radiant Fluid Foundation with a natural finish, broad spectrum, SPF 25. Look at this. That comes with this stunning look. How elegant it is. This bottle is glass. The shade I'm using today, friends, light medium ochre, and it's showing a number here that is 020. Going to apply this gorgeousness. I can see a slightly peachiness. It is in between, cream in between liquid, as you can observe there. So I'm going to start dipping my brush. I'm using BK Beauty 101, if I don't mistake, yes, 101. So I'm going to start from the center of my face out. So the 020 ochre. If you maintain your product in a cold room, the product is going to survive and get preserved very well. So look at the difference between the application foundation from Clé de Peau and nothing here. Look at the cancellation of my red cheeks. Wow, it's complete. Coverage light. Look how exquisite is this foundation. 020 ochre. That is my shade. And I will tell you, I'm been using very often my Gucci. It's a high definition stylo waterproof brow pencil. And then with a spoolie, you can just start diffusing hair stroke, but look how fine it is. I'm using the 03 Châtain, and on the master classes that I'm offering, friends, I'm going to dedicate a full session to the eyebrows. Look, you know, because I've been showing many and several times my concealer from Sicily, Paris. It is Phyto-noir Eclat with botanical extract. I've been using very often the shade 1. The product is 130, if I don't mistake. I proceed and I order the shade 2 to see what is the difference. I'm in love with this product, friends. As you understand, and come with this brush and the applicator, friends, is amazing to depuff, to relax and to soothe your eyes if happen you are having, you know, a hard, rough day. A very peachy, friends. Okay, I was kind of expecting that because it's one shade up with my beautiful Pat McGrath. It's $68. I have like 4 of them. I just apply the powder around my eyes and just then a little bit, you know, on the lateral walls of my nose and a slightly bit on my nasal levels, okay? As many of you know already, I don't like to mattify my face. Sweet, the shade 300 is a face and all over setting powder. I want to introduce you to my beautiful order that I did to the website on Christian Dior, as always with this stunning box. You don't have to pay extra for this gorgeous box. I collect them, to be very honest. As you can see on the back of my shelves, more than accessories and decoration, I use the boxes because I think they are so stunning. Hourglass, just to make an example, they charge $5 for a very cheap quality of boxes. So from this signature company, friends, you make your order. They ask you to pick what is the box you want. Inside, this is the way my box come. I was explaining, friends, I'm being receiving as gift parfums, and every time I order something, they send me one. I don't have any of these beautiful parfum repeated. Okay, that is another amazing thing. I think that the way that they pamper me, right, with the gift I receive, friends. So friends are very grateful with Christian Dior because they're always stunning and amazing. I think This is the #1 company, you know, to pamper us with so many gorgeousness. And every time, with every order that I do, friends, they include gift. So now we're going to be speaking about DIOR Backstage Eye Palette. On the back, you have the information about the shade with names, which is super helpful. Before I start giving you more information, I would like to explain to you, okay, DIOR Backstage Eye Palette, the 004 Celestial Purple. Look at this. This palette, friend, I want to make this comment right now. This palette look way more gorgeous in person that you are going to see on videos. It is just stunning, friends. DIOR Backstage Eye Palette is the secret weapon used by DIOR professional makeup artists. This palette, friends, as many of the palettes that I've been showing you in the past, are being created specifically for makeup artists. Because let me tell you, it is super handy to carry up this. But the quality, friend, the quality of this plastic is so luxurious. It's not the typical plastic that bends. It's super hard acrylic. And long wearing of this pigment are just crazy. Okay, inspired by the backstage energy of DIOR Runway Show. The eye makeup palette combines 9 ultra pigment, easy to blend eyeshadow in matte, pearlescent, metallic, holographic, and glittery. Each shade range is an interpretation of a color theme available in complementary shades to achieve a multitude of looks. This palette, friends, like they describe, they have all the texture you want in a palette if you are a makeup artist. I'm going to proceed and make the swatches first time touching this beauty with a very, oh wow, the pigmentation, friends. We're going to create very pretty makeup look. This one over here, it is a lavender shade, a cool tone lavender, okay? This one, I crave for these shades, friends. Crave, because you have no idea how much I use this shade, you know, to make a clean look, to enlighten, you know, the eye, and so. So we're going to continue with this mauve rose over here. Now this stunning burgundy shade, look at this, friends. Then this silver shade, this is the silver and this is the blue. Oh my, look at the pigmentation, friends, wow. So we continue then. Look at the way that this product blend on the skin, friends. You tell me if you will want to have another eye makeup palette if you are on the go. Even though you are traveling, friends, and you have activities to do out of your studio, if you are a makeup artist, look at that blendability, how this product, you know, swatch on the skin, one touch on the palette, and I don't see patchiness or fallouts. For some reason, the palette looks stunningly 150% more gorgeous in person than looks on these, you know, videos. Wow, what a beautiful shades. So we're speaking one more time about the palette 004 Celestial Purple. These two shades here, friends, are the beautiful. Wow, this one, wow. So we're going to be creating something really nice today. So now we're talking about DIOR Backstage Glow Face Palette. It is a multi-use face makeup palette. We're going to start, and I'm going to be speaking about texture. Ooh. It is a glittery product. Friends, look at this. Wow, it's like cream. Texture wise, it is like applying or touching cream. Look at that. Oh my. And let me see something. Yes, if I, for example, diffuse the remaining, it gives pearlescent particles of a gorgeous kind of a frosty shade. Okay, now I go to the peach. Look at that. Then I'm going to the rose gold. Look at this shade. It's like a gorgeous baby pink, friends. We're going to use this today, okay? And the very last one is this celestial blue. Oh, it is an iridescent, creamy, crazy shade. I'm running out of space. Wow. You know what, friends? I think these shades are more in the vibe of those galactic contemporary finishes. I would love to make I would like to say a combination of these middle road, 3 middle road shades, right? With this ivory shade here, okay? And I'm going to proceed. The order in which you apply your product, friends, is going to depend on your preference, okay? As you have seen me, I never apply the product in the same way. I'm always start sometime for the lightest, sometime with the darkest. Hello, my beautiful friends. I'm back with one eye done. Judge by yourselves. I did apply eyelashes. Look at how gorgeous it is. This palette, friends, if you haven't experienced what it is to work with a backstage palette, I've been saying it before, if you don't know how to work really much, you know, or how to combine the shades, this is an easy palette in which you can start any of the backstage palette. This palette, friends, were made for make the life of a makeup artist more easy, okay? So that is the purpose, and the palette couldn't be more stunning. As you can observe, friends, the way that this product diffuses as a metallic, glassy, wet shade. I'm softening with my foundation brush with nothing on it, but you can see the performance. So I'm going to proceed right away and do this eye with you. So we're going to start, friends, working with the middle road, the 3 shades first, okay? So I'm going to start packing this stunning burgundy, friends. It's so highly pigmented. I'm going to start packing the same shade on the upper area of my crease. This Christian Dior, friends, all of the palettes, every single release they have done so far this year, friends, it's been just crazy beautiful. Now with the same brush, and I've been working so far only with one shade. So now, with a very small blending brush, I'm coming to the middle shade, okay? The one in the middle. Let me, if you want names, friends, I haven't given you the names. The very burgundy, it is called Satin Plum. That is why I told you it's super silky. The one in the middle is Shimmer Pink, and the very last one here is Shimmer Lilac. Friends, but the shimmer is just a name because they don't behave as a typical shimmer you're going to find in another product. So this shade is going to be applied on top as a connection. Using, it's called DIOR Stylo Crayon Waterproof Matte Purple. And apply a little bit of this on my lash line, okay? We are giving form to the eye. So now, going to Shimmer Lilac, which is this one over here, okay? I'm going to keep working on top. You can always retouch, friends, if you are losing intensity of the product, okay? That is completely normal. So now, with the shimmer pink, which is the one in the middle, I'm going to start giving transition to the eye and connecting these two shades. So now, friends, I was using my kit code is the 1.27, and I'm going to apply the shade that is called Satin Shimmer, this one, the one that look like white. Okay, what I can say about this shade, I love French because I don't know what to tell you. The French over here look ivory, but as soon you apply the product, it look silver, okay? How gorgeous it is, this palette, my friends. No, 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 no. I can have enough. And I'm going to apply on my waterline the same purple, okay? On my upper waterline. Just to provide a little dimension. And I seal or set the gold gel pencil. Look at this. So we don't have to apply any wing line because not everybody, friends, can do wing lines. And that is one of the things I really also want to touch bases on my master classes. How you can accomplish, you know, a wing line like a pro. It is some techniques you can use, okay? What a palette, friends. So on the lower waterline I will be applying Shiseido the micro ink liner in shade white, just from the inner. See? So we start perfecting the application. So on the inner, I'm applying this stunning shimmer icy blue, this one. Wow. So this is more or less what we have. And I'm using tatty lashes. So I'm going to apply the eyelash and I will be back with the rest of the face. I did apply the eyelashes. I would like to say that the eyelashes that I am using today for this occasion, friends, are from Tatty Lashes 3D Luxury Mink. The difference between the 3D and the 4D, it is simply that the 3D have more space in between. They are not extremely, dense. So I like it because that allows for your eyes to show the work you have done. It's no eyeliner today. I don't think we're going to be using any eyeliner. I think the product is sufficient, right? The eyelashes, I place it really close to the lash line as well, so that help for me to don't be on the necessity to apply any eyeliner. Only one word: the palette is more stunning in person than seeing the palette on videos or picture. Simply as that. So judge by yourself, please, and don't take my word. So the next step is going to be applying this gorgeousness. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're going to do two things. Remember this Blushes Glow from Rouge Dior. I want to apply first a tiny little bit of this one, okay? I want to try something. Okay? Wow, the shade is so beautiful, friends. Very close, like a connecting to the eye. This is Dior Riviera. Okay? This is what we have there. And now I'm going on top, Blush Rose. Okay? This one, Blush Rose. So with the 111 brush from BK Beauty, I'm going to apply this product as well high. And look what we have. You want to see me again doing it? Okay. The glow this product produces, friends, it is just stunning. Now, with my finger, this shade that is completely with the shimmer texture, one more try, okay? But what is stunning about this product, friends? Look, once you apply it, it diffuses with a metallic finish. Judge by yourself. Okay, it is like the particles of this product melt to the touch with the skin. So here I come. Oh wow, look at that. It reminded me to what I saw in one product on Gucci, okay? It's super pretty, friends. Wow. I couldn't be more happy about this. It's just beautiful. For my bronzer, friends, I did use Hermes Plain Air 03 Sahara. This is what I use for my bronzer today. Look at this. Another stunning luxury product, friends. The statement and my final words regarding this gorgeousness, friends. 004 Celestial Purple. I have no words to tell you the beautifulness of this palette. So now we're going to do something, work a little bit, right, on the lips. I got this one, which is Champ de Rose from Plan de Paris. Let us see how this behaves. Super natural is Plan de Paris Champ de Roses. This is the shade I just did apply. Okay. Look, this is my latest purchase from Girl Lane. I couldn't be more excited now, and I'm going to get more shade because this is so beautiful. Look at this. This one also because have that berry shade that can work perfectly, but I'm super happy with this one because it looks really fleshy, very fleshy. Look, this is the one that I apply, and this is the other one that is kind of berry. Okay, from Backstage recent launch from Christian Dior. I didn't got the lip gloss, okay, but I was after these two products, friends. Highly recommended. If you don't know, like I was just explaining, and I'm going to be teaching all those things on my master classes only for members. This product, it is stunning. If happen you doesn't know how to apply, how to combine your shades. This is more beautiful than seeing the palette just on videos. Wow, when I saw the palette, friends, I was mesmerized. And one thing I've been noticing a lot, it is that every time I buy a Christian Dior product, friends, they are super long wearing to the point, friends. It is night and I have, you know, when I have to clean my face and the product is still without smearing, without fading, without producing fallout. So that is what I actually want to see in a product. And all the table today was full of luxury. Full of luxury. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point. Thank you so much, friends, for allowing me, you know, to stay, to spend some time with you, showing you the performance of this beauty. As you already know, I'm always going to take the best of a palette. Doesn't matter if you want to go lighter or you want to go softer. Whatever is your preference, okay? Doesn't matter. But my job is to show you how far, how soft, and how cute you can go. The mascara I used today was from Hermes Plain Air, the lengthening mascara, okay? I love it because when I do apply eyelashes, I I just love to touch in order to engage or marry my eyelashes with the falsies. So I really hope that you like the demo, swatches and tutorial. I'm going to leave you for a little bit because I'm coming with a makeup review. So friends, I have so many surprises, so stay tuned with me because I'm coming right after, okay? Thank you very much. If you like the content of my video, friends, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content of my video, subscribe to my channel. I am up 2,000 and some subscribers, friends. Add the link, you know, to the description box below so you can have access to it. It's the most beautiful thing I ever seen. If I had to go like this through fall, winter, friends, I'm more than happy. Thank you so much. I say goodbye for now. I hope that you are very pleased with this, as I am. Thank you. Bye.